Hello everyone. Thanks for watching my video. This is the starry sky we are going to draw today. It's very simple, but it uses a lot of colors. Okay. First we're going to have 2 sets of brushes, 1 canvas palette. The rag bucket also has a 24 color paint box. And of course our beauty blender sponge ball. This is an over-the-top artifact. After the introduction of the good tool, let's go into the main topic to see what its colors are. Also take a flat brush. We put the paint on the canvas. First, white. Okay, then lemon yellow. Okay, let's look at the one on the right first. And the next one on the right is the medium yellow. Then khaki. The color is a gradual change of layers. Naturals, and then we use pleats. This color may not be used much by you. When changing the color, we remember to wash the brush and dry the moisture. Look at the left, it is dominated by cool colors. The first is sky blue. And then there's Pulin. Then in order to make this Pulin deeper, we add a little bit of cooked brown on the side. Okay, let's go to dark purple. Color very Doha. Next, we will use this beauty blender for a transition. Remember, the beauty blender does not add water, so we use it directly. Adding water will thin out your paint. That could lead to unevenness. In this transition, we are transitioning vertically. Then there are khaki and pleated stone. Then pay attention when we smudge. Your strength must be balanced, and let's try to move as fast as possible, as long as his paint is not dry. You can see that it is overdone now. It's a very natural gradual change. It's good to change the color. Remember that the beauty blender must be clean. Next we transition to the left. Then you'd better prepare another absorbent rag like this to wipe our beauty blender. How about here? I added a lemon yellow. We can see that the lemon card does not seem to have the color lemon yellow on it. That's actually for the cyan. So, blue and yellow are equal to cyan, equal to green. Okay, when we're done transitioning, we'll move on to the Pulin part. So this is just a transition from the first floor. And we're going to have to do it a second time. Support this language. Please click the upper right corner to switch to another voice. Next, after we clean the beauty blender, dry the water with an absorbent cloth. So here we can see that the color layering is very obvious. This is a common problem for our novice painters. So, that's why we need to make a second transition. Now, let's go with the cyan. I used white lemon yellow with a little sky blue. Tone a lighter cyan. We can first apply a layer of paint with a paintbrush. Then use the beauty blender. Tap lightly for transition. Then in the process of using beauty blender, remember that the first point is that the paint must be small and many times. The second point is that our strength should not be too heavy as possible. If it is too heavy, he will easily leave a trace of this beauty blender. So the strength, try not to be too heavy. Now let's make the middle of the sky a little brighter. Dry this beauty blender and let's adjust it to a lighter color. What about the next steps? Then remind me again here. The third point that everyone should pay attention to is when it is excessive. Try to go from shallow to deep. That's okay if we get used to going from deep to shallow. Then you have to make sure that your brush must be cleaned every time you change the color. Otherwise, your picture effect will be easier to get dirty. Now let's take it a step further. Still use sky blue and lemon yellow. What about white? Just a small amount. And then to the left, we're going to go even deeper into sky blue. Same beauty blender lightly patted over. You can also see the contrast between sky blue and plain blue. At this time, in addition to sky blue, we have to join this group on the connection between their two colors. To make this gradual change more natural, color matching is very important. In fact, it is a change in the depth of the same color system. For example, now I want to use the two colors of skirt blue and Pulon to blend together for transition. Then why not just use Pulon, because Pulon is too dark? So, we're going to add a little bit of stars. In this way, the two colors can be connected more naturally. And then we're going to go even deeper, and we're going to use purple gunpland. What about now? Our left half of the sky has transitioned. Next, we will transition to the right. The beauty blender must be cleaned to make sure it has no residual paint. Let's continue the transition. First, adjust the color you want to use. This time at one time. The first is lemon yellow and white, and this is the highlight. Then Zhonghuang. And then there's our khaki. And finally, there's this pleated stone. I can bring you the orange. Let's make this pleated stone a little more colorful. Also, in a small number of times, the beauty blender is carefully slapped for transition. Since the steps are all the same, I won't explain the latter parts one by one. Okay, what about the sky? The
Next,
transition
we clean
is
the
over
beauty
now.
blender.
Put it away. Usually, try to avoid storing it in a place exposed to the sun. So let's take a look at Zero Mocha. The next step is to draw this hillside. It's very easy. It's the black grass silhouette. We're going to use a fan pen like this. Then, don't use pure black directly. Add some plain blue and then a little bit of black. What about the paint? It shouldn't be too dry. To add some water during the color matching process. To draw this grass, let's first determine its height by 2 points. So what you do is you connect it with an arc stroke. Then spread black. And then we come back and we draw this grass. The grass painting is also very simple. Let's go right to the fan pen. Pick up gently. The strength is from heavy to light. Pick up gently. Let's zoom in. You can also sweep out this fluffy texture. The paint can be thinner appropriately. See if it's very simple. Just swipe it up gently. As for the pen, you can take it however you want. Then pay attention to the paint here, not too dry. If it's too dry, you can't sweep out the feeling of such distinct grass. But it can't be too thin. If it is too thin, you can scan it and it will be blurred directly. Paint will spill. What state do we adjust? It's your paint that comes out like that paste. That's about it. Okay, and the grass is finished. The next step is to draw the small tree in the middle. What about this tree? We need to use the bottom of the hook line of No. to hook his branches. When drawing the line, our little finger can be placed on this painting part as a support point. Good force, not too heavy. Do you have a thinner pen? We can try to draw with a thinner pen. How can the branches drawn be more vivid and beautiful? Well, first of all, this line of our branch not too straight. It has a little arc. They are thick and thin. Therefore, each line should not be the same thickness, otherwise it will look dull. After the branches are painted, let's have some leaves. It's a small tree, so I'm just going to generalize. The paint used to paint the leaves is very thin. What about less paint? We can rub it back and forth on the palette a few times to get the paint off. Then use a small amount of paint. Tap lightly on the canvas. Light the leaves. Then the feeling of him coming out is relatively hazy. Deepening layer by layer. Don't cover all the branches when painting. There is still a little gap between the leaves. Make it look more breathable. Although this is a small tree, but the detail of the whole painting is still very important. The tree is painted. Next, we're going to sprinkle stars on the whole sky. Is this the last step? We're going to use a fan pen, white paint plus water. After dipping a fan pen in paint, get a clean paintbrush. Tap the stem of this fan pen. It's best to try it on this palette first to find the strength. Okay, let's hit the canvas. Don't be too strong. Tap lightly. And that last step is the finishing touch. What about after knocking on the stars? We'll see that there will also be some white paint on the grass. Then if you want to keep this, you can keep it. If we don't want it, we can use black and we'll do it again. Or we can just take a piece of paper and block it for him before we hit the stars. Okay, our starry sky is also completed. I don't know if you have learned it,